Hello and welcome to this video for APDL. Today we're going to be talking about a quick little feature called Handoff, and if you use a Mac computer as well as a Apple iOS device, then you can quickly switch between your iOS device and your computer, and we're just going to do a little tutorial of that here since we have enabled it in APDL. If you remember from our reports video, you can get additional functionality from the reports feature in APDL from apdl.net on your computer than you can from directly in the app. So we're going to do a demonstration of that here quickly. Before we do the demonstration, I want to point out that on screen here we have my iPhone displayed running APDL to the left, and to the right I have my computer open to Google Chrome, which is my default internet browser, and I'm displaying the dock at the bottom of the screen. And this is going to happen pretty quickly, so I wanted to talk about it before it actually takes place. As soon as I generate the report in APDL on my iPhone, there will be a pop-up at the bottom left of the dock showing that I can open Google Chrome using the handoff feature and navigate directly to the website that it's handing off from. So we'll go ahead and do that here in APDL. I'm going to tap the reports row in the menu and quickly generate an aircraft report. And we see very quickly the handoff icon pops up at the bottom left of my Mac, and I can click that and it takes me directly to apdl.net and the same report we were viewing on the phone, except now we're on the web page. If you haven't seen the reports video, it goes in more detail about the functionality available on the website versus the phone. So we do encourage you to view that if you haven't, and there's a link in the description for this video. Hope you enjoy this feature, and thanks for watching.